Oh, our boys are here. Genu, romance, mystery. Everyone, eyes over here. Hello, everyone. Everyone, please turn your attention over there.
The beautiful girls have arrived. Rumi, Mira, and Zoey.
Genu. This is so good.
Got a little something right there.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Rumi, it's time. We should go inside now.
Authorization green. Airplane secure. Let's send it.
Forget him, girl. There are plenty of other guys. Yeah, and look at this necklace. You need to shine for yourself now. Maybe you're right. Let's just enjoy the trip.
Excellent. The plan is in motion.
The system's failing.
Oh, look at the screens! We've been hacked!
An alert is coming from the other side. We have to hurry over there and see what's going on.
You will not pass.
System breach detected. Core systems are being destroyed.
Genu, hold the monster off. We're fixing the system. Leave the space. You don't belong here.
Let's combine our strength together.
Finish it, Genu. I've got you! Don't let go! Ah! I can't hold on!
It's not working. The system is jammed. Use the biometric override. Quick, scan my print.
Thank you, Rumi. Your power has grown so much stronger.
I learned this by believing in myself, Genu.
I thought distance would protect us both. I see now that I was wrong.
Not here. We still have a long journey ahead to talk.
Looks like the mission worked out in more ways than one.
Look at you! You actually thought...
It's you who is the joke. Absolutely pathetic. It feels like I've been walking forever, and I'm still completely lost.
I need something durable for the jacket lining. The weave on this one looks strong, and the color is perfect.
I can't believe how beautiful it is. I am so excited to wear it tonight.
I saw this and immediately thought of you. Try it on.
Are you serious? I absolutely adore it!
Yes.
I can't believe I finally finished this jacket. Now I just need to pack these last few outfits, and I'll be ready for the trip tomorrow. Here's the bag you asked for. No.
Perfect, thank you. Are these the new colors?
Yes, they just arrived today.
That look is...
Yes, fabulous.
We love you all. Bye.
This entire proposal is completely unacceptable.
I agree. It shows a total disregard for the community.
That was unbelievable.
Absolutely stunning. You did it!
Yes, we finally did it! Congratulations! You earned this. Are you still coming over this weekend?
Absolutely. I've already picked out the movie marathon lineup.
Perfect. I'll order the pizza then. Wow, that yellow and blue is making the perfect shade of green. I know, right? This is exactly what the foreground needs. And with this final stroke of purple, I think it's finally complete. I absolutely love how the light turned out in this section. As you can see, I focused heavily on the dramatic swirling patterns of the sky and the intense brightness of the moon.
This is good enough for the competition.
The application of light in this section completely transforms the mood of the piece.
The girl really likes the painting.
Okay, so this is my painting. It's a cat. I know it's not great, but I guess this is what I came up with.
That painting was too ugly to enter the competition.
Wait, seriously, he actually said that right in front of her? I know, right? I couldn't believe it either. Wow, this steak is surprisingly tender. I agree, it's delicious. I almost didn't want to eat in the classroom, but this is worth it.
Camera, zoom in a little.
I try, but nothing ever changes. I just feel so alone. I just don't know what to do anymore. I've tried everything, but she's not getting better.
That's ridiculous.
Cheers.
Oh my gosh, that was hilarious. I can't believe he actually did that.
And then he slipped right into the water. Wait, I think that's Marcus. Remember him from class?
Oh my gosh, it is him.
Hey, Rumi and Mira. What a surprise.
Wow, this is incredible. Look how fast we're going.
You guys should really try this. Rowing out here when the weather is this good is absolutely amazing.
Help! Somebody please help us! Help! We're drowning! Help!
Hold on, I've got you. Give me your hand.
We made it! We're safe now!
Jiyoon! Jiyoon, where are you? Jiyoon!
You have to open your eyes. You can't just lie here. I don't know what to do without you.
I still feel awful about what we said to Jiyoon. We have to apologize.
We were so sorry to hear you weren't well. How are you feeling today? We hope you get better soon. Thank you both.
We just wanted to say how sorry we are for everything in the past. We hope you can take this. If we combine our styles for the drawing competition, we can definitely win.
Yeah, and I know exactly how we should present it to impress the judges.
I love it. Let's do it.